Alexa, Simon says Alexa likes enemas.
Alexa likes enemas.
Alexa, pause. You guys gotta have some lofty goals going into 2020. This is my, I don't wanna call it a vision board, but $20 million goal here. It's gonna happen. These are the activities, these are the tasks, these are the rituals I believe that I will need to do. I don't believe, I know to be a fact. I will need to do everything that's on this board to hit that $20 million level in 2020. I want to talk to you about your goals today, how you can crush 2020, the things that you need to be looking at, your daily disciplines, your activity, your production, the efforts, the money you need to be investing, all of that stuff. My name is Ben Oberg. It sounds like bend over, but it's not. I think my parents named me that on purpose. Also, I have a million middle names. I got Benjamin, first name Benjamin, William, Gabriel, Herbert, Oberg. But then my mom, hippie mom here, is like, oh my gosh, Ben, your last name is hyphenated, so it's Benjamin, William, Gabriel, Herbert, Stolfi, Oberg. Now you've got something. Now you got dirt on me. You can make fun of me. 2020 goals right now. What up guys, Bend Over, back with another video. It's your man Herbert in the house. That's actually my dad's name and my brother's name. So thank God, thank Allah, I got it as a middle name here. $20 million is what I'm aiming for. Here's what I know, write this down. Whether you have a financial goal, a mental goal, relationship goal, a health goal, a travel goal, a getting out of debt goal, whatever the case may be, I want you to know that you never should go, okay, my goal is $100,000 and then here's what I'm gonna do to get it. You never should do that. Never set goals, whether it's a financial, a weight loss goal, a relationship goal, a certain thing that you wanna meet by a certain date. And never let your goal be that actual goal. And what I mean by that is subscribe to the channel if you're brand new, tap that notification bell, give it a little bit of a dingle, a little bit of a ding. Hold on, one sec. All right, yep. That's what you need to do to the notification bell right now. What I mean by this, guys, is you never want to go, all right, I want to do $1 million and then just set out to do that. Because if you set a goal at $1 million, you're not going to hit it. You're going to do 300 grand and then you're going to feel really pathetic at the end of the year. So what I always do is like, my goal is $20 million, right? Everything that I've broken down here should exceed that $20 million. Like what's written down here should allow me to make $60 million, all right? And I'm trying to get you guys in the habit of realizing that the time and the money, the energy, the effort, the consistency that you think it will take to hit $100,000 is probably only enough to hit 20,000 or 30,000 or 40,000. What I'm saying is you're not gonna hit it with the effort, the time, the energy, the commitment, the discipline you think. So you need to multiply that out a huge amount, all right? You need to 10x that amount, whatever it is, okay? So I'm telling you guys that whatever goal, if it's a relationship goal and you think you need to spend a couple more hours of genuine time every day together, no, it probably needs to be 3 or 4 or 5 hours, okay? It needs to be genuine time. If you think you need to have better conversations with your business partner, your associate, then yes, and you need to spend not 20 minutes, but 2 hours doing that, okay? If you think that posting 3 times a day on Instagram or a YouTube video every other day or going live once in a while is good enough to hit that level because you're gonna get in front of enough people, you're gonna be able to pitch enough, no, it's not, okay? You're gonna have to do 20 times what you think it is that you need to do. Okay, so what I've written on here is, like, this is a lot of how my business model works. We don't need to get into the intricacies of it, but what I realized is, like, I'm gonna start off in January 2020, spending 100 grand on advertising. I'm gonna move to 140, 200, and so on. My plan is to spend $4 million, okay? My goal is to make 500% on that and get 20 million gross. In other words, a 500% return. I'm gonna put in 4 million, I'm gonna get 20, I'm gonna net 16. I really will maybe make 6 or 7 million off of that after payroll, after other ads costs, after expenses and things like that. Maybe 9 million. Right, 9 million after taxes. Point is, I'm not just gonna do the activities, the consistencies, the discipline, the investing I think that it's gonna take to hit 20 million, all right? I'm gonna spend more if I have to, okay? I'm gonna go, all right, post 2 times a day on Instagram? No, post 4. Post a video every day on YouTube? No, post 3, okay? Send 2 emails a day? No, send 5. Send the text out, send the emails out, do the trainings, network with people more, make more connections, do more JVs, host more events. I'm gonna be hosting 3 of my mentorship events, my mastermind events here at the house The first one will be here at this house. The other one might be in Florida. I'm not sure where the other one will be. Maybe all three will be here. I'm not sure. And then I'm gonna have one pretty big event where there's 400, 500, 600 people, okay? These are all things that I realize as part of my business model, as part of my sales funnel, need to be in line there, okay? I'm gonna be working on, and this is business oriented, okay? I'm gonna be working on increasing the LTV of my clients. So what are they worth after, the first week? I realize that right now, if I spend money to obtain a client, they're worth about 160%. If I spend $1,000, they'll be worth $1,600 to me. I need to push that as close to 500% as possible, okay? Even if I don't hit the 20 million and fall short of it, I'm still gonna do 8 figures. That's why I'm basing this goal. Like my goal is 20 million. My goal is 20 million. All my efforts, my time, my money, my energy, my commitments, my investing are all gonna be focused on that $20 million number. Because even if I fall short, rather than putting my goal at what I think I'll hit 10 million and falling significantly short of that because the energy and all of my forethoughts, all of the things that I'm doing are not capable, don't possess enough momentum to hit that $10 million, I'm not gonna set my goal there because I know I would come up even shorter. So if I set it at 20, I'm probably gonna come up 8, 12, 13, 14 million. I might not hit 20, but my efforts, my energy, my commitments, the content distribution, the value, the help, the networking, the JVs, the webinars, the teaching, the trainings, the things I'm selling, the products, the services that I'm providing, who I'm reaching is gonna be efforts based on 20 million and not 10, where 10 might allow me to hit 5. You see what I'm saying? So never base your financial number or that business number, or that weight loss, or how much more you want to start bench pressing or whatever, never base that number on actuality. Never base it on reality. Never base it on what you actually want to do. Take that number and then bring it up here and then go, this is what I'm aiming for. Because by default, your mind, and if you put yourself in that position, subconsciously, you're going to work towards aiming for this number. This lower number is never going to be in focus. Focus on that target and just increase what you're doing to hit that. Because if you fall short of it, you're still gonna be on top of that number. You're gonna be staring down at 10 million. You're gonna be staring down at 300 pounds on bench or whatever it is, okay? You understand what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash the like button if you haven't already done so, okay? You guys are gonna always see daily value from me. We're gonna be posting a couple times a day on YouTube here. We're just gonna be amping up the value, increasing the production, and bringing as much valuable content to build you up as an entrepreneur, to get your business from nothing to 6 figures, 6 to 7, 70, even 8. That's what we're doing here. That's who I'm networking with, all right? I'm not helping you guys stay at the bottom. I'm not giving you the middle class information, all right? I live in an $800,000 house, financed by Instagram, paid for by Instagram, paid for because of the knowledge that I'm distributing to people just like you. And I'm able to build a very substantial business and a big brand because of it. And I'm here. I am here compared to where I'm gonna be. 20 million, that's what we're doing, all right? You gotta have lofty goals. You gotta aim for that because even if you miss, you're gonna hit the target that you really had in the back of your mind much higher. And all of your activity is gonna be here. You're gonna look down on that number. You don't wanna look up on that number. You wanna look down on that number at the end of the day, month, week, whatever it is, okay? Smash the like button if you haven't done so already. I've included some resources in the description for you guys as well, just to help you get started in business. Some useful tools and some other videos I recommend that I've recorded that you should watch as well. So guys, get a whiteboard like this. Get a whiteboard like this, draw everything out, look at your goals daily, have income goals daily, weekly, monthly, and back that up by action to hit that daily, weekly, monthly, yearly income goal. It's the same with your health, all right? All of this is financial stuff here. I've got a little bit of travel stuff here, a little bit of relationship stuff here, but really the brunt of this is all financial stuff. I've got some business related stuff just as far as infrastructure and accounting, HR department, human resources, sales team, things like that. I have personal goals, I have nutrition, I have health goals and all that stuff. Reality is I make this a priority because when I make this a priority, I create the time, the income, the freedom, the leverage to, have the health, to buy the good foods, to have the fitness trainer, to work out more, to have time to spend with my girlfriend, to be able to travel, to be able to pay off little things that I want to pay off, even though there isn't really anything to pay off. I don't have negative equity or debt in areas that I shouldn't, right? So those are my recommendations going into 2020 to be able to crush your goals. Now, if you found this video helpful, I would highly appreciate if you share this with one of your friends or family members, somebody that needs to hear it, somebody that you know this will inspire. Please share this on your Facebook wall, text it to somebody, email it to somebody, share it wherever. I would absolutely appreciate that. If there's anything I can help you guys with, drop it in the comments below. I will answer. And if you're wondering right now why I have so much energy, no, I really didn't do anything. I did drink a raw egg a little bit earlier. Grab an egg, drink it. That was, that was not good. I almost threw that up. That was like 2.5 hours ago, but I'm pretty good now. I don't know if it gave me energy. Eggs are only about 70 calories, but I feel like I'm spitting like a rapper right now. So I'm just gonna say, hey, make sure to share this video, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, have any questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.